Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm here to guide you through the process of logging in into your Sutter Health. Sutter Health is a leading non-profit healthcare network in Northern California dedicated to enhancing the well-being of communities it serves. So let's jump to today's tutorial. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Sutter Health website. You can do this by typing Sutter Health login into the address bar. Now click on My Health Online Sutter Health. After that, you will be directed to login page of Sutter Health. Now enter your username and password on the right side of your screen. If you have forgotten your login information, don't worry. There is an option to recover your login ID and your password. If you are new to Sutter Health, you need to register first by clicking on Sign Up Now. Sutter Health also provides you the feature to log into your account by activating your access code. That's it. You can successfully log into Sutter Health if you follow these simple steps. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions or feedbacks in the comments below.